How do you get the lipstick? Oh my god!
Nope.
Okay. Ooh.
I think I would have told you the literal.
Get him. Get him. Get him. Get his ass. Get him. Get him. Get him. Got it on camera. Aria.
That one? Is that what you're wanting?
Just looking at you. I'm the only person who exists. I'm not that old.
I'm not tired. I'm not tired. I'm not tired. I'm not tired. I'm not tired.
I'm not tired. I'm not very tired.
Emma, listen, I was thinking about, do you want to go swimming? Oh! Oh, wait a minute. Wait, Brody. Uh-oh.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Come here, Zach. Come on. Come on. Oh.
Cooper, did you eat all of your treats? Cooper.
Come on, Buckethead. Come on, Buckethead.
Go away.
Dog's gonna give me hell. Tank! Y'all ready to take a bath?
What you doing? Oh my God.
Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take ya. Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego.
Buttercup, you're naughty. Oh, there she goes. She's dragging him in the pool.
What are you doing? Digging. Why? Make a hole. A hole for what? Hey. No! Give me that.
Come on, Misty. Can you do it? Oh.
Wherever you want to get. Whatever makes you happy.
Monty, no. Give me my shoe. I know it. That hurts so bad.
Duh. Duh.
Hi, Jamie, you're doing great, mate. Get it, Nemo. Go get it. Fetch.
Play this sound and see what your dog does.
You comfy, hon? How's that belly?
Come here, baby. Come here. He's okay. Oh, he's so scared. That's an important one. I can't let you take that. Sorry, please. Can you hold back, please? Please. Oh. Casey, you good boy, okay?
I got Nancy. Got Nancy.
Stop kicking me. Stop. Stop.
Oh, you make me so happy.
He's a good boy. Where's the kitty? There's the kitty.
What? I thought it was about you. Are you gonna bite? Are you gonna do it? Ow!
National Guard is maxed out. They said you'd be lucky troops for that.
Whoa!
It's okay.
Get the cat's head out of your mouth, Oaken. Get the cat's head out of your mouth, Oaken. Thank you.
As far as I'm aware, the answer to every problem is dog. Bad day at work? Dog. Depression? Dog. Anxiety? Dog. Friend problems? Dog. There is no other solution.
Carson, is your tongue crooked? Tyson, is your tongue crooked?
Hurry your ass up. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
¿Y tu papi? ¿Dónde está tu papi? ¿Tu papi?
37 years ago last week, Eddie Murphy Ross premiered.
On Elizabeth I's term, headlined the famous Elizabeth I. I mean, it's just ridiculous. It's unsettled.
What are you doing?
It's really invented.
Huh?
Why?
Cheese. Míralo, parece bueno y todo. Está cargando la batería. Este modelo tiene carga rápida. Do it.
Never seen what this.
We got one that's dragging all over the ground this morning.
Go upstairs. Come on. No. No. We're going upstairs.
Where is it?
What are you eating? Honey got me chocolate covered strawberries and you opened the box! Good morning. Can you get off the door? Can you move? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Birdie, did you do that? Did you do that? Huh? Did you do that?
Larry!
Oh, you don't like that one?
Which was very concerning.
Wait, do it. Up. Down. Up. Down. Your dog's drinking your ice cream.
No.
Good.
so sorry for what you're going through.
Do it again.
Thank you.
Bro, you stop.
I have copies in the car in case you need
Be nice.
No, that's okay. Let's check it, bro. I can't.
Be nice to Dad.
There she goes. Pick me a lemon. Come on, pick it. Yay! Bring it here. Come on, bring it here. Drop. You are such a good girl.
Hey!
Somebody did pee-pee all over their bed. Any idea who did? Was that you? Did you do pee-pee in your bed? Is that why you're sleeping in the toy box? 'Cause you never sleep in the toy box.
Bubbles. Bubbles, I love you. I love you, Bubbles. I love you. You say love you? Yes, I love you.
What do I say? This is the vast majority of students. It was great to hear Oh, he's going for the squirrel.
And hold paper towels. Just wipe it off on mess.
Millie, can I get an hour? No way. Millie, can I get an hour? Are you done? Mama's turn. Hey, Mama's turn.
Why are you mad at me?
Excuse you. Excuse you. No. No. That's Daddy's food. No. That's Daddy's food. Nala. Nala. You can't have that.
Dante. Ven, Dante. Ven. Ven.
Puppy attack!
Grace, you smiling? You smiling? So pretty.
Drop that duck. Drop him. Drop that duck.
Like everyone's in a good mood, especially Bailey over there, because she never plays with toys that much.
You know what to do. Come on. See, I could be a father. I'm ready, Frank. Is this how you pick up your kids? No.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoomies are forever. My zoomies all together. Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming.
Zico.
Hello, baby.
Just cooking dinner. Just happened to walk by and... Get off of there! Ace! Why?
It was at this moment that he knew. He
She didn't even touch you.
Send cottage. Send cottage.
Since you don't want to go outside with it. Okay, so they're fighting each other for him.
Okay, come on. Damn. Look at Archie's face. Look at his face. What's wrong, Archie?
He ain't going nowhere. He's the little trainer.
That's you! Wrigley?
Somebody come and look at this.
Brakes fail.
Can I have a sip? Just one sip.
Artie, what's the cow say? Yeah, good boy. Where's the cows?